Hi guys, my name is Laureate. I'm a design engineer. If you've just joined us, this is the course on digitizing manufacturing. And in this program, we are talking about 3D modeling. Okay, so in the previous lessons, we've spoken about what 3D modeling is. We've given a history of 3D modeling. We've gone into the types of 3D modeling we have and the types of software that are available. And today, we want to start with the extensions of 3D modeling. So 3D modeling comes with a lot of file format extensions that you can use depending on what you're trying to achieve, you know. But for this particular program, we are going to be focused on the STL extension. All right. So then the applications of 3D modeling, we spoke about that earlier in the first lesson. They are diverse. You can use them to achieve a lot of things. You can just refer to that video for more information. And the benefits of 3D modeling are also a bunch. The world is advancing and now we are representing things better. We are having a better visual capacity. And so definitely we are going to benefit so much. And if you're a business holder and you want to apply 3D modeling, a lot of benefits are available to you, including an accessible design process and improved communication across internal and external teams. Right now, practical use cases of 3D modeling, they are also very diverse. These are just a few to talk about. So basically, this is a course you're actually going to enjoy and have an exciting time studying. And I hope to see you in all the classes. Bye.